standard 6 chapter number 2nd, the living world. In that, first characteristics of living things is growth. What differences do you see between the young ones and the adult in the picture? Now observe this picture carefully. What are the changes you see here? Now first see this doggy. This doggy is growing. Similarly, this boy and girl is growing and they becomes adult. Similarly, here tree is also shown. See, this tree is very small. After that, tree also grows. Means in this picture, growth is showing of living things. A baby grow up to become an adult person, woman or man, during the period of its growth. The baby gain in height, weight and strength. In the same manner, all animals grow into adult in a certain period. Means men and women are growing. Means this baby is also grow in their height, weight, strength. Means person are growing. Similarly, the plants and animals are also growing in a certain period. Generally, human required 18 to 21 years for this growth. Means human required 18 to 21 years for its growth. Now observe this picture. Tie a thread to the tip of the potted sapling. Keep the thread stretched and tie it to a pick or a nail above the plant. Means take one plant, tie the thread here. What do you observe after 10 to 15 days? Observe this plant for 10 to 15 days and what will you see after 10 to 15 days? You will see this. See, this plant is growing. This plant is growing in height. That's why this thread is loose. This thread is loose. Though all living things grow, animals grow only for a certain period. Animal grows for a certain period. Means there is a limited period for growing animals. But plants on the other hand grow as long as they live. But plants are growing up to when? If they are live. The growth of living things occur from within the body, which means that growth occurs in all the parts of the body. Means growth occurs in all the parts. Growth is not only for one part. The growth occurs in all the parts of the body. Now see, here one picture are given. Growth in the banyan and coconut tree. This is banyan tree and this is coconut tree. There are three pictures are given. You can see the growth of the tree. See, when the tree grows, there are some branches. Tree grows up to when? Along when they are live. But growth is limited for animals.